Want this velocity? Sorry for the wait on this tutorial. I know I said I was going to make it like a month ago, but I just forgot. If you want to learn how to make velocity zooms and ghost effect, you can go watch my other tutorial. If you are going to edit Zahide, this is how you can find upscaled clips of her. Go to this TikTok account and click the link in his bio. Then click Zahide upscaled clips. Then just choose the clip that you want from there. Open a new Capcut project and add your audio. Choose the part that you want for your edit. Now delete the audio and export the clip. Once you exported the video, make sure to not click on the done that is up in the right. Instead, click on the symbol up in the left. Now get the audio back by clicking on the little left arrow. Now you have to check how many FPS the video has. If you are on iOS, just go to your Photos app and click on your video. If it says less than 60 FPS, you are gonna have to upscale the FPS so the Slowmo is smoother. For that, you can use the Timecut app. Convert the video to 60 FPS. Now for the Slowmo, there are two options. Both options are free, but one adds a watermark to your video. I will show you how to do both. The first option is still Timecut and doesn't add watermark, but the results won't be really smooth in some cases. This is how Timecut Slowmo looks like. It's not really smooth. For the second option, there is Node Video. That is the one that I use. Add the video that you converted to 60 FPS. I have the premium subscription, so it doesn't add watermark. If you don't have Pro, it adds a tiny watermark in bottom left, but it's not that big, so it won't ruin your edit. This is how the Node Video Slowmo looks like, even though I already showed it in the beginning. Go back to your Capcut project and delete the video without Slowmo. Now cut your video a little bit after the next beat and add this beat graph. Now cut the clip a little bit before the beat and a little bit after the next one. And then do that again for all the beats.
Catch you while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
Thanks for watching. Let me know if this was understandable in the comments.